A very good morning to all of you. Today I am here with lecture number 5 of Reasoning, Grade 8. Topic which I am going to discuss in this lecture 5 is coding decoding. So dear children, we shall discuss first the introduction part of this topic, and then after that we shall understand this topic with the help of few examples. So let us get started now first with the introduction part. So let us see what is a code. Code is a system of signals. Code is a system of signals. And what is this coding? Coding is basically a method of transmitting a message. Coding is a method of transmitting a message between the sender and the receiver without a third person knowing it. So, coding is a method of transmitting a message between the sender and the receiver without a third person knowing it. Let us understand letter coding. In these questions, the real alphabets in a word are replaced by certain other alphabets according to a specific rule to form its code. We are supposed to detect the common rule and answer the questions accordingly. For example, mystify is coded as NZTUJGZ. Now, we need to find out how NEMESIS is coded in that particular language. So, dear children, if we clearly observe these two codes, we have seen that this every alphabet, each letter in this word mystify is moved one step forward to obtain the corresponding letter of the code, this given code. So like M is moved one step forward to get N, Y is moved one step forward to get Z, S is moved one step forward to get T. In the similar manner, we need to code this. So let us move this N one step forward. So we will be getting O. If I move E one step forward, I will get F. Then for M, it will be N. Then for E, it will be F. For S, it will be T. For I, it will be J. For S again, it will be T. So, dear children, I hope you have understood this example. Let us talk about example number 2. In this example number 2, if tap is coded as SZO, then how is freeze coded? So, if we look at the relation between these two codes, we have seen that each letter in the word tap is moved one step backward to obtain the corresponding letter of this code SZO. So let us move every letter, each letter of this alphabet freeze, of this word freeze, one step backward, and accordingly we will get the answer as E, Q, E is moved one step backward D, again E moved one step backward D. If Z is moved one step backward, then Y. If E is moved one step backward, then D. So E, Q, D, D, Y, D is the code according to the given code. Example number 3 is Sikkim is coded as THLJJL. Now we need to find out what will be the code according to the code given between Sikkim and this word, for training we need to find out the code. So if we observe this Sikkim and the code for Sikkim, that is THLJJL, it is quite clear that the letters in the word Sikkim are moved alternatively one step forward, like S is moved one step forward, I is moved one step backward, K is again moved one step forward, this K is moved one step backward, I is moved one step forward, and then M is moved one step backward. So similarly, we need to move the letters of this word training alternatively one step forward and one step backward to obtain the letters of the code. So in training, T will be coded as U, R will be coded as Q, A will be coded as B. Then now for I we need to move back. Then I will be coded as H. N will be coded as O, and so on. We will get the code U Q B H O H O F. Following the same pattern for every alphabet, we need to move one step forward and one step backward. Example 4 is mention is coded as LNEITNO. Now we need to find out how is pattern written in the same code. Now to obtain the code, the first letter, that is M in mention, is moved one step backward to obtain L, and the remaining letters are reversed in order, like they are being reversed. So N is written and E. These two letters are reversed, then I and T are written. These two letters are reversed, then N and O is written. So we need to move this P one step backward. So what we will be getting? We will be getting O to move after moving P one step backward. And the remaining letters we need to, the remaining letters are reversed in order. So these are to be reversed out. So it will be T, A, these two E, T, then these two are to be reversed, then N, R. So the correct answer is OTAETNR. So dear children, you are supposed to complete the assignment of coding and decoding in your notebooks. That's all for today. Thank you so much.